Hello class, welcome to online session of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, here to remind you again. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's start.
Class 8th. I can hope you must have enjoyed the previous two sessions, part 1 and part 2. In that, you have learned what is artificial intelligence, how it is different from human intelligence, and why there is a need of artificial intelligence machines. Now, in this topic, we will analyze the advantage and disadvantage of AI. Here, as you all know, every coin has two sides. So here some advantages and disadvantages I have listed. Let's go through them quickly. First advantage is doesn't get tired easily, right? Rational decision makers. It has remarkable applications in medical industries. It is very accurate and moreover it is selfless with no break. It can work without any form of break. See some disadvantages. Cons. Pros means advantages, cons means disadvantages. Incur high cost, leads to unemployment, no improvement with experiences, lack of creativity. So in my next slide I will be exploring in details their advantages of AI. Of course, AI would have a low error rate if coded properly. If there is no technical error, it will going to have a precision, accuracy and very high speed. You can make AI machine, artificially intelligent machines, workable for long hours. It will work continuously without getting bored. If you give the same task again and again, it will work, right? It will not say, now I am fed up, now I am not able to work. No. This kind of statement will not be heard from an AI machine, but a human can say. Look here. AI has a remarkable application in the field of medicine. Yes, in present we have in the field of radiosurgery AI application we have. It helps to operate the tumor without damaging the unaffected tissue. Very minutely it operates the human cell. Now my dear students, let us imagine if we have artificially intelligent doctors in place of human doctor. If today we have the artificially intelligent doctor, then we could have implemented those in the corona war that our doctors, medical staffs are facing. Because of their duties, they are intentionally at the cost of their life going in front of the patient and treating them, right? Just imagine if in spite of that artificially advanced technology we have, so those machines can treat the patient. By this we not only save doctors, medical staffs to a great extent that we are losing nowadays, but we can save our patients also. We are no doubt we are working on this kind of technologies, and very soon we will come up with the more advanced and more new features of artificial intelligence. AI machines can successfully be implemented in the area of hostile environment, right? You can send an AI machine to space mining where sending a human can be a life-threatening situation. Now let's talk, these are some advantages. Let's talk about the disadvantage. It's true that AI comes with a high cost. It requires huge cost as it's a complex machine, right? And not only the installation cost is high, but its repair and maintenance cost is also very high. Secondly, artificial intelligence cannot be improved with experience, right? A human can be improved by experiences. If we gain experience, it will be more improved version of the human being. But in case of artificial intelligence, whatever the way you have programmed, unless and until you change the programming, unless and until you change the system, it will not get improved. It's not like that today it's working with this speed, it will keep on working with the same pace. Machines can't be creative. Humans are creative, but machines can't be creative. Whatever instruction has been instructed to the machine, it will perform accordingly. And they can do whatever they are being. Unemployment is one of the severe effects of AI. I am not saying that AI will replace the human. No, it's not possible because we humans are creating artificially intelligent machine. So this is next to impossible that it will replace the human. But the thing is, it will of course replace the human work. If we have driverless metro, right? The metros are running on the basis of artificial intelligent technologies. So automatically the job of drivers will be in danger. If 100% are working, and at that place to take care of the AI machines, 2-3 people can do the job, right? In the banking sector also, it has led to a lot of unemployment. Earlier all the work are manual, right? But nowadays ATM machines are there. By depositing and withdrawing the money, the machine can do easily, and there are 1 or 2 person to take care of those machines. Any technical faults they can sort out, right? So this way I am saying it will lead to unemployment. Unemployment doesn't mean that I am saying it will replace human, replacement of human. No, that is impossible. So I hope you have understand the merits and demerits of AI. Thank you for this looking at this session. Go through it and do comment me what are the things you enjoy, what are the things you feel, and if any other disadvantage or advantage you know about AI, please let me know. Thank you.